Okay, I'm going to the garage to do a project on my Porsche. This is my Porsche. I'm going to try to give it a little class. Pretty close. Alright, going to try to give my Porsche a little class. Going to change the door lights so that it has a nice projection on it, or gives it a little class. Okay, I'm going to try to remove the lights. All we do is slip a screwdriver under here. That'll pop out. That will come out. And then you just unplug it. Well, okay, unplug the whole thing. Alright. There we are. Alright, I ordered these online. And the measurements were proper. And they look about the right piece of equipment. However, there are a few discrepancies which we'll try to note. Turning this around and this one around, you see that doesn't plug into that. This has a little plug-in with two connections on it, so I've got to adapt that. And this plugs in. As you can see, this bulb cannot plug into that. So I've got to figure out a way so this lights up. I found a battery that has a connection here. This connection can fit into here. And plug in. But I don't need the battery, so I'm going to cut this end off. Okay, I cut the ends off of this battery, and now I'll tint them with my soldering iron. These kind of match that. Same size. My little plug that I cut off the battery. Hey, see that? Now that's connected to that. I think this is going to work. Now I will solder these onto there, and I'll have my connection just like the bulb. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, I will solder them now. Shouldn't be a big job. Connected. Connected. Now I have a 12 volt power supply here. So what I'm going to do is check my connections here to see if it works. Got the two wires here with my unit connected to it. I will ground one side there and let's see if it lights up. How do you like that? There we are. Checking it out. Now all I have to do is go put it in the car. As you can see, these match up with that, so I shouldn't have any problem plugging those two leads into that position there. Okay, now I'm going to insert the unit, plug it in, each one of these tabs. Voila! And there we have it. Now I will slip it into the hole. And here we have it, as you can see. Pretty cool stuff, huh? And so, another job well done. Little class. And always remember, whatever man's mind can conceive, you can achieve.